Hi everybody. So today I'm going to do a quick video, DIY this time. So I'm going to be showing you how to replace a damaged washer or O-ring in a leaking mixer tap from the base. So you can see here the water has been leaking from the tap mixer neck. So first make sure the taps are in the off position. Then unscrew this collar and that allows you to remove the mixer neck. Then just twist and pull the mixer neck slowly until it comes free. There may be some residual water remaining, so just be careful when you pull the neck from the base. Then remove the washers or O-rings and get some replacements from your local plumbing supplier. I already had a box of mixed O-rings which had a pair of the size that I needed. You can see here that the damaged O-ring next to the brand new one. Slide on the new O-rings, adding a smear of plumber's grease, which will help you seal the O-rings. Then remembering to twist slightly as you push the mixer neck back into place. Then lastly, just tighten up the collar and the leak should be fixed. See you in the next video.